Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Postman on RHEL 9. So open terminal, first install the EPEl repository. Use this command and install it. I will give these commands in the video description, which I am going to execute. Hit enter, provide the password, and hit enter. Done. Sudo DNF upgrade. Now install the snapd. Sudo DNF install snapd. Type and hit enter. Now install the Postman. Now enable the socket by running this command. Now install the Postman. Sudo snap install Postman. Exit and open the terminal again. Now install sudo snap install Postman. See, it is installing version number 10. See, we have successfully installed Postman version number 10.24. Okay. Now run Postman on the terminal. See, we got the Postman web view. Okay. Wait, it is loading. See, we can create account. You can do these things later, or else you can give this snap list Postman. See, we have the Postman and its version is 10.24. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install Postman on RHEL 9. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.